All right, this next report that we're going to take a look at is the active student map. Now, this is a recent addition to the site, and it incorporates the use of a Google map. Now, whenever you enter in information into the system, it's going to try to look for any address information that you enter and get that location, and it's going to store the longitude and latitude of the address. It's going to translate that address into a longitude and latitude and store it along with the address that you've typed in. By using this information, we can pull up a Google map and show how students are mapped out across your particular area. So let's just go ahead and stick with school number 101, and again, just leave it at all groups. And so when we execute the active student map, you'll see that we basically get a Google map that shows us the Atlanta area. When I created this database, I created all of the addresses in Atlanta. And it will show us icons of where people live. And of course, as you zoom in, you can see where people live, and there's different icons for different folks. And then you'll see right up here, you'll see that there's a red icon which represents the school, which represents this school that you've got selected. And so you can see that most of the students are all throughout the Atlanta area. If you hover over a particular student, then you'll see that that's Deborah Fuller. And if you hover over another student, then you'll see that that's Lisa Locke. And if you hover right there, then you'll see that's me. Now you notice that my icon gets a little bit different. It's a little bit different picture here because I am listed as an administrator. So depending on the role in which the student is listed as, this one I believe is an instructor, and this one is just a student. So anyway, this is the student map report, and it shows you basically the locations of where your students are relative to your school and relative to the area. So hope that's helpful.